This video is about repairing my radial arm saw, but mostly about planned obsolescence. So this is the switch that originally came in this saw, which you cannot buy anymore. Was held in by 2 screws. So in order to fix it, I got the switch that I thought was most similar to it, which is this switch right here. It is quite a bit different in the way it fits in. So instead of having 2 screws that it has to hold it in, it has little plastic ears that slip in and just lock it down so it can't come back out. Rather than having any mechanical fasteners there, it's just kind of spring-loaded. The other thing is the form factor was a little bit bigger on the new switch than the old switch, so I had like 2 raised things so you couldn't hit the switch from the side. I suppose that was for some reason back in the day, but I had to grind those off and expand those out, expand the little hole out. I just used a file and filed it off carefully where it needed to go, so until it was the size of the new thing. Now you can see, let's see if I can get it. There's one hole left in there where the screw went through on the front, on the back side of that. On the front side, I did all my filing on this end, so it's gone off of there. So that was those screw holes that used to have those screws in it. Now it's ready to go. Switch is on and off, no problem. A little bit of planned obsolescence foiled.